Hey guys, so I wanted to come on here because I got my second order of the Nerdy Nuts. So I got reindeer tracks. This is so cute. So cute. So I do want to let you guys know that Monster Cookie or something is my favorite. I also got Ghosted. That looks cool. Oh my god. I got the spoon because I was very curious to see how that one is. I did order me another one. I got salted caramel cheesecake. Oh, cannot wait to try that one. So these are also in fudge and cake. So just so you guys know, these are like several relatively cold, so they're going to be a little hard when I open them up and try to mix them. So I'm excited. I'm excited. Cannot wait to give these a try. So this one, it smells so good. It's called Ghosted. So it's going to have the milk chocolate peanut butter, chocolate sauce, bunch of crunch bits, chocolate covered cookie dough, caramel sticks candy, and ghosted sprinkles. It smells good. Yeah, it's like, oh! Kind of hard, and it has like bits everywhere. Hold on, I'm gonna pause. Okay, so here is a try of the Ghosted. That's pretty good. That's really good. Here is reindeer tracks, and it has like a lot of stuff in it. Oh my gosh. Has marshmallows and pretzels. Oh my goodness. So this is white chocolate peanut butter, chocolate sauce, dehydrated marshmallow bits, pretzels, and M&Ms. Oh my god. This makes my mouth like drool. So, here is a bite. So good. This one is called Fudge and Cake, and it looks kind of wonky. This has yellow cake peanut butter, hot fudge sauce, and peanut butter candy. Oh man. That's good. Here is the salted caramel cheesecake. This is going to have white chocolate cheesecake peanut butter, salted caramel sauce, salted caramel cheesecake frosting, and graham cracker crumbs. Oh my god. You guys. Oh, I'm going to get fat with peanut butter. That's all. Okay. What the heck, Daytona? Are you okay? Oh my god. It's like a peanut butter cheesecake. Oh my god. Nerdy Nuts. This is my favorite order. Oh my god. If you guys have not yet checked these people out, I would do it. They also offer Afterpay if you guys do not want to. And also to save at least $10, you can do Insta 10 and to save some money. Check it out, you guys. nerdynuts.com. And they have so many. Every Sunday at 7 p.m. they launch new flavors. So if you guys want to check that out, this is also, just so you guys know, this is not sponsored. I'm not getting paid. I'm just showing you guys some really nice stuff, and I'm so excited.